Welcome in this video, in which we are going to learn how to create a distributed application and to use bindings. A distributed application is an application which is dispatched on several hardware. Actually, in my deployment view, I have only one hardware, and if you want to add a new one, I have only two PLC definitions available. I'm going to import a new one. I select my definition file, which is a TDB file. And if I add now a new device, I have the new definition file available. I add a new hardware and I connect it to my network. I edit the property of the link and I set the IP address of my new hardware. The goal of this demo is to create exchange of variables between these two hardwares. So I'm going to create a new resource in the device number 2. In the device number 1, I have some already made programs, and for example in the programs conveyor I have a value that I want to send to the resource of my other device. So in my other device I create also a variable value which has the same type, double integer. In the same way, in the thermometer program, I have a variable temp that I want to receive from the device number 2. So in the device number 2, I will create a variable temperature, and the value of temperature will be sent to the device number 1. In the device number 2, I create a new ST program in which I'm going to write that the temperature, so the variable I'm going to send to the device number 1, is the value, the variable coming from the device number 1 plus 10. Now I have to create my bindings, the links between variables. So in the resource number 1, I create a producing group in which I put my variable value, and in the device number 2, I have a consuming group with the variable value. In the device number 2, I have a producing group with the variable temperature, and I have a consuming group in the device number 1 with my variable temp. So I've done the link. Value is sent from 1 to 2. Temperature is sent from 2 to 1. I built my solution. Okay, and I can simulate now my project. So I'm going to open my conveyor ISaView page, and I will increase my value. If I open my thermometer page, so I can see the value coming back from the device number 2, I see that my temperature is my value plus 10. So it means that I have sent the value to the device number 2. The device number 2 had done the addition, my value plus 10, and sent back to the device number 1 the temperature. This video is now finished. If you want to contact us, you can write us at support@isagraf.com or supereurope@isagraf.com.